This queue no dey end at all. The price don high again, we go wait tire. My family need this fuel o.
My brothers and sisters in Nigeria, we understand your struggles. Fuel price affects every business and everyone in Nigeria. Petrol price now, 800 plus per liter. Cooking gas price drains your pocket every month. Whether for your bike, Keke Napep, car, truck, even your generator and cooking gas, the cost is unbearable for a common man. Stop suffering. The solution is here. Meet Eco Fuel Saver, the top-rated fuel saver in the US. 100% biodegradable fuel saver made for Africa fuel and gas conditions. 1 small spoon per 60 liters of petrol or diesel is enough, or just 10 milliliters for your 12.5 kilograms cooking gas.
I have been able to save my gas by 80% with this little injection of Eco Fuel Saver.
This fuel savers works on everything you use daily. Okada and bikes, Keke Napep, cars and SUVs, trucks and tankers, cooking gas cylinders, LPG petrol, diesel and gas engines. Inside your tank or cylinder, Eco Fuel Saver breaks down long fuel molecules into shorter ones that burn faster while saving between 30% to 80% fuel and gas consumptions. Result? Cooler engine, improved engine sound, less smoke, stronger power, and up to 30% more distance per liter. Save between 5,000 to 300,000 naira every month on fuel and gas depending on your hustle. Your engine stays cleaner, your Keke and truck last longer, your cooking gas lasts longer. Proven by independent labs and approved by Sun in Nigeria. 100% safe for both engine and environment, while putting more money in your pocket. This is not one of those products flying around.
This fuel saver is for serious road hustlers and business-minded people.
Join Eco Global, the official African affiliate and MLM program for Eco Fuel Saver. Sell to your network, build a team, earn daily, weekly commissions, and even qualify for houses, land, cars, and big international incentives. Turn fuel problem into your own money-making machine. Click the link below right now. Go to ecoglobalplatform.com/register?ref=Bitcoin Don or WhatsApp the number on screen. Order your Eco Fuel Saver today and join Eco Global to start your own business. Save money, make money, change your story. This is your chance, my people. Don't sleep on this one.
Subsidy is gone.
But Eco Fuel Saver is here. Join now to get one.